Hello friends, today I'm going to show you how to test the magnetron. Let me change the multimeter on the continuity sound. Oh, doesn't get a sound. Let me change the gain and put it back. There you go, there's sound now. Test the terminals. The terminals must get continuity, that is okay. And test the body, no continuity, it's okay. When you test the terminal also and the body, you should not get any reading or continuity. Now I'm going to double check it. Now there's continuity, there's no continuity on the one with the body. This magnetron is fine, but double check again. Sorry, using one hand and other side, another hand. I'm trying to record. I'm recording. Now I'm going to open this cover so that we can check inside how does it look. But this magnetron is fine, but I'm going to change this cap here because this cap is bent, as you can see. Now this they're calling a filament. That's what is connected to the two wires there. I'll show you how that wire there look like. There we go, these two wires there that cover. I use a knife and I use a flat screwdriver to open this clip here so that I can able to check inside. There we go. As you can see, these two wires we're testing. And we check if it's bent or it's faulty. These two wires. Also testing them with continuity. You're supposed to get the continuity. As you can see, they are attached to this thing. This white thing is called filament. This filament terminal capacitor is connected. As you can see, that thing you have two terminals. The terminals are connected to these two wires here. The two wires. There's something that is zinc. That zinc is connected to this filament terminal capacitor. As you can see there, you can see these two things. Let me switch off the camera so that you can see clearly. That is the zinc is attached to the body. As you can see, it's attached to the body. That zinc it's a ground. That's why when you test the terminal, also the body is getting continuity. Is that zinc? It's a ground. You should not get any reading. But the good news is you can replace that filament terminal that filament terminal capacitor. This is how it look like when you buy it from the shop. Thank you very much, and please subscribe, ask a question, comment and share the video.